Hello, my wonderful third graders. Welcome to your YouTube video for math. I'm very excited to film this for you, and I bet you're very excited to watch it so you can learn on YouTube. Alrighty, so let's get our math books, and let's be ready by opening our math books to page 107, and I'll even write it out. Now, I'm using my pen, my iPad pen, and it's gonna sound really weird on the screen. It's gonna sound like I'm poking the screen. So it may it may bother you. It's gonna bother me. I know. So I'm sorry in advance. But watch or listen. There you go. You hear it poking? Page 107. Sorry. If it sounds loud, you can turn your volume down. Now remember, with these videos, you can always pause whenever you need to catch up or rewind if you miss anything. All right, friends? So you should be on page 107. And we're going to divide. Now, this first problem may seem weird, but there's a reason for it, okay? Write the answers. I have 3 circles, and it says or asks me, how many groups of 4 can I make from these 3 circles? Well, I only have 3 circles. I can't make groups of 4 because I can't go 1, 2, 3. I can't make an extra circle because I'm only given 3. So I don't have any groups of 4. My answer will be 0. Next, how many groups of 3? I only have 2 stars. I cannot make another star and say, I can make a group of 3. I can't do that. So again, there are only 0 groups of 3. So I've got 0 groups of 4, and I've got 0 groups of 3 here. Now, I've got 5 squares, but they want me to make groups of 5. Again, I cannot make a group of 5. I can't make a 5th square and go, see? Because I'm only given 4 squares. So I've only got 0. Now you may think, that's silly, Mr. Vera. 0, 0, 0. Now there's a reason. Okay, let's take a look at number 2. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need to, or rewind if you missed anything. Divide. Check your answers. Now, this is a regular division problem. It says 18 divided by 2. I'm not going to bar the 1 because if I'm given 1 circle and I want to make a group of 2, I can't. So it's a 0. Instead of putting a 0, I'm just going to bar 18 because I can do 18 divided by 2. And if I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. How many 6 did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I drew 9 sticks. So 18 divided by 2, which you already know, is 9. So I'll put 9 up here. And then I'll multiply that. That's the next step. 9 times 2 is 18. Then I subtract 18. Subtract 18 is 0. And when I check, I'll take the quotient, which is a 9, and I'll multiply it to the divisor, which is 2. And I know 9 times 2, or 2 times 9, is 18. All right, let's try the next one. Now, I'm not going to bar the 2. Well, I can, but 2 divided by 3, I can't do that at all because 2 is smaller than 3. So I'm going to bar 27. 27 divided by 3. So you can use your fingers for this. I'm just going to draw the sticks until I come across 27 in the 3 song. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Oh, I'm done. I reached 27. So how many sticks did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I drew 9 sticks. Now, you're only doing this if you forgot your 3's times table. You're not going to draw sticks all the time because I know you know your 3's. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. All right, 9 times 3 is, we know this already, 27. 27 take away 27 is 0. So when I check, I take my quotient and divisor. 9 times 3 equals 27. There you go. All right. Now try C. you can pause the video to give C a shot. And if you don't want to try it, you don't have to pause it because I'm going to keep going. But if you want to try it on your own, pause the video and then unpause when you're ready. Alrighty, so let me use blue. I am not going to really bar the 2 because I know it's smaller than 3. So I'm going to bar 21. And this time I'm not going to draw the 6 because you should already know by now what 21 divided by 3 is. And you can use your fingers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Oh, I'm holding up 7 fingers. So I'm going to put the 7 on top of the 1 because I'm using 2 digits. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 take away 21 is 0. So when I check, I'll do 7 times 3, and that should be 20. That is 21. Very good. All right, try D on your own. Pause the video, give it a shot, and then unpause the video when you're ready to share or compare your work to mine. All right, did you try? I'm gonna use green this time. So I don't really need, I can bar the 3, but I know 3 is smaller than 4. So I'm gonna do 32 divided by 4. And if you drew the sticks, 4, 8, 12, 16, if you did that, that's fine. Or if you use your fingers, that was fine. But 32 divided by 4 is 8. Some of you said 8. Very good. 8 times 4 is 32. Very cool. So then 32 take away 32 is a big, nice 0. And when I check, I'll do 8 times 4, which is 32. See, you know your 4 times tables already. Now, in case you missed any of that or you want to re-watch the video, feel free to do that, okay? Now, let's go to page 108. I'm going to go to page 108. Let me erase this. Again, sorry if it sounds like I'm poking things. Alrighty. So, on page 108, this is your seat work. For seat work, you will do number 3, number 4. Let's do number 5 together. What time is it? Well, it's almost 11 o'clock, but it's not quite 11 o'clock. So I'm going to put 11, colon, and then I'm going to draw my flower. We're going to start at 12 and do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, but the minute hand, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. See how it's touching the minute hand? 59. So it's 11:59. Almost 12 o'clock. No, almost 11 o'clock. Sorry, 10:59. My bad, kids. Did you say 10 and I said 11? Good job. So it's almost 11. It's 10:59. Now here, okay, I know for sure the hour, because the hour hand is small, and it's touching the 4. It's more towards the 4. You might think, it's almost at the 5. It's more towards the 4. So it's 4, colon. Now I'm going to use the flower again and start at 12. 5, 10. It's not 15 yet, because if it was 15, it would be touching the 3. So I'm going to do the little flower. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. It is 4:14. So it's almost 4:15. And then you'll do number 6 for seat work. So you just have to write the numbers. So 84 is, boom, 84. Very simple. Okay, so that's your seat work for today. Please be sure you do page 108 in math, and you'll do numbers 3, 4, and 6. Alrighty, class, if you have any questions, you can ask me when we meet at 1 o'clock today. Thank you.